Imagine a monstrous creature with multiple heads, each representing a different cyber threat. This Hydra, constantly shifting and evolving, attacks our digital world through malware, phishing scams, and other methods. Traditional defenses struggle to keep up, but a new warrior emerges: artificial intelligence. It's not a magic shield, but it's a powerful weapon in the fight for cybersecurity. The Hydra's byte: understanding cyber threats. Let's break down the different heads of this digital beast. Malware. Think malicious software like viruses, worms, and ransomware. They infiltrate systems, steal data, corrupt files, or hold information hostage. Imagine them like venomous fangs injecting poison into your computer. Phishing. Deceptive emails, messages, or websites lure victims into revealing sensitive information or downloading malware. Picture them as slimy tongues dripping with lies, tricking you into giving up your digital valuables. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Hackers become the middleman in your online communication, eavesdropping or manipulating data. Imagine them as sneaky thieves, listening in on your phone calls and changing your messages. Zero-day attacks. These are like surprise attacks, exploiting unknown vulnerabilities before anyone detects them. Think of them as hidden claws, striking unexpectedly and causing major damage. Social engineering. This involves manipulating human emotions and trust to compromise security. Imagine a charming con artist convincing you to unlock your digital vault. AI, the cyber guardian angel. How does AI fight this multi-headed monster? By leveraging its unique superpowers. Pattern recognition. AI can analyze vast amount of data, like a detective examining millions of clues. It detects subtle patterns, indicating suspicious activity much faster than any human could. Anomaly detection. AI learns what normal behavior looks like for users, systems, and networks. Any deviation gets flagged as a potential threat, like spotting a stranger lurking in your house. Predictive analytics. AI analyzes past attacks and threat intelligence to predict future vulnerabilities, like a fortune teller forecasting potential dangers. Automated response. Imagine having a security robot that automatically blocks suspicious traffic or quarantines infected devices, saving you valuable time. AI can do just that. Defeating each head with AI's arsenal. Now let's see how AI tackles specific threats. Malware. AI examines files and network traffic, identifying malware based on known patterns and suspicious behavior. It's like having a security scanner with superhuman vision that detects even the tiniest digital blemish. Phishing. AI analyzes email content, sender information, and website characteristics. It can spot subtle inconsistencies and red flags, acting like a lie detector for the digital world. Man-in-the-middle attacks. AI monitors network traffic for unusual patterns and inconsistencies, like a traffic cop noticing suspicious detours. Zero-day attacks. AI analyzes system behavior for anomalies that might signal an unknown vulnerability, acting like an early warning system for hidden dangers. Social engineering. AI can analyze social media activity and communication patterns to detect suspicious behavior that might indicate someone impersonating a legitimate user, like spotting a fake friend request from a stranger. The battle rages on, the future of AI and cybersecurity. AI is not a magic shield. Hackers can adapt and develop new techniques to exploit its vulnerabilities. It's like an ongoing arms race, but AI gives us a fighting chance. As it continues to evolve, its abilities in areas like understanding natural language and recognizing images will further enhance its ability to detect and thwart cyber attacks. Imagine a future where AI acts as a personalized cybersecurity guardian, constantly learning and adapting to protect you from ever-evolving threats. It would be like having a wise and vigilant friend watching over your digital life, alerting you to dangers and taking action when needed. The battle against cybercrime is a continuous one, but AI offers a beacon of hope. By understanding the diverse threats and leveraging the power of AI, we can build a more secure digital future, one byte at a time. Remember, while AI is a powerful tool, it's crucial to practice safe online habits, like using a reputable antivirus, strong passwords, and being cautious about suspicious links and emails. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that together we can create a more secure digital world for everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.